Hello and welcome back. In this video we'll see the days of the week. Days of the week. There are 7 days in the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. This makes 1 week. 1 week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday are weekdays. Weekdays. Days in which we work and go to school. Whereas Saturday and Sunday are weekend. Weekend. Suppose that today is Monday, then Sunday was yesterday. Yesterday. Then Tuesday is gonna be tomorrow. Tomorrow. Wednesday is after tomorrow. After tomorrow. Whereas Saturday was before yesterday. Before yesterday. When talking about the weeks, we can say this week, next week, or last week. We have 7 days in the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. This was all for today. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.